Meteorologist Joe Hansel here with a Thursday morning edition of your Predicted Severe Weather Threats. Ongoing winter storm is still out there in portions of Pennsylvania, New York, Massachusetts, Connecticut, Rhode Island, Vermont, and New Hampshire. We're talking an additional half a foot to a foot of snow out there, and it's kind of like from coast to coast. Winter weather advisory is still widespread for much of the Intermountain West, where some heavy mountain snow will still be out there for the day today. Looking at your snowfall forecast, I got a couple of bullseyes, one out west, one out east, a little bit of minor amounts in the upper Midwest and Great Lakes region. So let's see some of those snowfall numbers. This is additional snowfall today. That line of purple, that's where the heaviest of the activity is expected to fall. We're talking another half a foot to a foot falling in this area, combined with very gusty winds. Travel weather will be hazardous, very challenging, maybe impossible in some areas of upstate New York, near Boston. I think about an additional 5 to 9 inches of snow is expected today. New York City, light snow at this point, but we are still watching for some slippery driving conditions for your morning until you dry out this afternoon. Out west, heavy mountain snow, especially in the Cascades and areas of the Rockies. Some snow will be possible in the lower elevations, and working to the southwest United States, Salt Lake City will probably see a couple inches of snow today, so be mindful of some slick driving conditions out there as well. I'll step aside from the western third to the eastern third of the nation. That's where the best of the snow will fall. Those fronts begin to fizzle out early in the morning hours on Friday per se, so much of the nation will be quieting down. We'll be watching for the weekend, our next Pacific cold front crashing into the Pacific Northwest. So highs today, New York City near 32, back to, well, winter levels for you. Morning snow, afternoon sun. Most of the nation is widely quiet for your day tomorrow. Definitely a mid-December, mid-winter kind of a day. A lot of highs in the 30s and 40s, extending well into southern portions of the nation.